Welcome to Horsted Park in Chatham, and I'm here today to present to you this 3-bedroom detached house. Built in 2012, it's got a year left on the NHBC warranty, and it boasts 3 double bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a ground floor WC. It also comes with allocated parking and a spacious garden that's low maintenance. Let's go and take a look inside. So here we are in the living accommodation at this property, and on the ground floor you have the lounge, which we're in now. You have a dining area which is open plan to the modern kitchen. Included in the kitchen is a built-in fridge freezer, integrated washing machine and dishwasher as well. And you have a whole wraparound on the ground floor, so you can walk around the whole of the ground floor with the WC as well. And I'm sure you'll agree that this is a real showpiece of this home. This orangery style dining area with all of this natural light coming in is a perfect place for the entire family to enjoy eating and drinking. So here we are upstairs on the second floor, which is where you'll find the master bedroom. Now all 3 bedrooms in this property are 3 doubles, but this one spans the whole width of the property. You have lots of natural light coming in, and the views that can be seen from here are breathtaking. You've also got your ensuite bathroom, and it doesn't just come with a shower, it also comes with a bathtub as well. So here we are outside in the garden, and this is not just the only outdoor space that you can enjoy whilst living at this property. The development itself has multiple park areas and green space, and you also have direct access to Horsted Valley, which can be enjoyed with walks and on your bike as well. The location of this property is ideal for multiple school catchments, and you're just under 2 miles from Chatham High Speed Station. Access to the A2, M2 and M20 is also only just a mile away. If you've liked what you've seen today and you'd like to call this house your home, please give me a call on 07557 783 325, and I'll be delighted to arrange a private showing for you.